What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be doing a beard product unboxing, so make sure you stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, beard product reviews, gear reviews, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a fairly new company called Witty's Beard Company. Alright, so I reached out to the owner, Curtis, and asked if he'd be willing to let me test out some products, and he didn't even say pick something. He said, what's your address? So we got this box. So we're fixing to go through it. I haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna go through and see what all he sent me, and I can already tell you it's not light. So let's see what we got in here. A little bit about Witty's. Once I use some of this stuff, I'll do a full review and give a little bit more history about the company, but they started in the fall of 2018, and they wanted to go with a kind of early 1900s theme. And so they started producing some stuff. They reached out to a local barbershop and they got some of their stuff in there. They sold out pretty fast. So they've been making some changes and working with some stuff. But that is loaded down. So first off, we have a sticker. Witty's Beard Co. Scruff Supplies. That's a pretty cool logo. We'll find something that's got a little bit better. All right, Kentucky Bourbon Bar Soap. Check out that logo. All right, so we got some bar soap. That is a heavy 6 ounces of soap. Nifty bar soap. Some pomade with a 2 ounce. Smells kind of the pomade, it's kind of cologne-ish, but kind of an old school cologne-ish. All right, Nifty beard balm. I'm guessing Nifty's the scent profile. Now, I will tell you, I did not look at their website at scent profiles before I did this. I wanted to kind of go in with a fresh mind and not have an idea of what stuff was. But we're going to test this stuff out. This is a silver pop top tin. That's kind of old school cologne-ish. Smells good. And as Brian over at Beards and Banjos says, if it moves around in that tin, that means it's a good high hold. Kentucky bourbon, it's got a little wobble in there as well. That smells, I get a little bit of the bourbon, and that's just a good clean scent. Let's see what else we got. Kentucky Bourbon Beard Wash, 8 ounces. Let's see. In an attempt to give men quality products with great manly fragrances, Witty's Beard Company creates products using vintage recipes that you will be proud to use. We guarantee that you are going to thoroughly enjoy Witty's Beard Wash. Witty's beard Wash will leave your beard feeling clean and manageable without stripping away vital oils from your beard's health. So, Kentucky Bourbon. That smells, that's a little more bourbon than the balm. That smells good. Ready to use that one. All right, let's see what else we got here. Man. All right, so we've got Swanky beard oil. and a pump top. Now he did tell me that he's going away from the dropper tops and going to the pump tops. So, but look at this black matte bottle. That is cool. And it's kind of got that old school feel to it. If you can see that logo, if it'll focus. All right, so Swanky. It's kind of a clean, little soapy, but a clean, really clean scent. There's a lot of beard oil in here. All right, so this one is Kentucky Bourbon. All right, so this is my very first child-proof dropper top lid. I seriously just thought it was open in the box. But again, the matte black Kentucky Bourbon. You get the bourbon. It's a clear oil, kind of a lighter weight. It reminds me of another, maybe a balm. That smells really good. Now, if I hadn't already said it, I'm gonna use every bit of this, and then I'm gonna come back with a review for you guys. The Woodsman. There's something different in there. It's not your typical pine and cedar and that kind of thing. There's something different in there, something sweet. That smells really good. To Snuff. This one has some shrink wrap. Kind of floral. I can't pick up what it is. It's kind of floral. I just got some on my hand, so I might figure it out in a little bit. To Snuff. He sent me enough stuff to fill up my beard shelf. Knowing the Ropes. Well, that one's a what is that? I can't pinpoint what that is. I'm gonna have to dig into that one. It smells good. I haven't had one that didn't smell good yet. Bourbon Buff. Oh no, that one. That's kind of the bourbon with a hint of that barbershop. Who drinks bourbon at your barbershop? Comment below. You got a barbershop you can drink bourbon at? That smells good. We still got oil in here, guys. All right, Lumberjack. This is one in the pump top. All right, now that one. All right, so I'm outside, so this one's gonna be, that's manly. That's outdoorsy. Yeah, one of them leaked. We don't know which one leaked. Let's see what we can get. I get a little bit of a spice in there. I don't know. Let's keep going. Cherry pipe. This one may have been the one that leaked. Something leaked. Oh wow. That is cherry. That is cherry pipe tobacco right there. That is good. Tennessee whiskey. All right, I gotta clean my hands off here. All right, so Tennessee whiskey. That's where it's coming from. It's dripping out the dropper top. That's whiskey with some sweet, subtle notes. I'm really curious what else in that one. That's got some subtle sweetness to it. Vintage. This is barbershop. Barbershop all day long, and it smells really good. All right, and this is our last one. Nifty. We didn't do Nifty, we did. All right, so we smelt this one in the balm. That's a clean, fresh out the shower kind of scent. Let's compare it to this. Yeah, I get it now. It's fresh out the shower, clean scent. All right, guys, so we got a lot of products to use before we can do a review. And you know, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I use products for a week at a time. So it's gonna take me a while. So no reviews coming. I may break this down into a couple reviews, but I will be doing some reviews in the very near future for these products once I get to use them. So make sure to stay tuned. Click that like button if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed it in any way. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Drop me a comment. Have you ever heard of Witty's Beard Company? And again, check out that label. It's just an old school, kind of old school design. Each product has the main logo with its own separate logo. So it's pretty cool. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.